The 68th Ohio Volunteer Infantry was an infantry regiment in the Union Army during the American Civil War. Service. The 68th Ohio Infantry was organized at Camp Latty in Napoleon, Ohio, October through December 1861 and mustered in for 3 years' service under the command of Colonel Samuel H. Steedman. The regiment was attached to 3rd Brigade, 3rd Division, Military District of Cairo, February 1862. 2nd Brigade, 3rd Division, Army of the Tennessee, to May 1862. 3rd Brigade, 3rd Division, Army of the Tennessee, to July 1863. Unattached, District of Jackson, Tennessee, to November 1862. 2nd Brigade, 3rd Division, Right Wing, 13th Corps, Department of the Tennessee, to December 1862. 2nd Brigade, 3rd Division, 17th Corps, Army of the Tennessee, to July 1865. The 68th Ohio Infantry mustered out of service at Louisville, Kentucky on July 10, 1865. Detailed service. Moved to Camp Chase, Ohio, January 21, 1862. Then ordered to Fort Donelson, Tennessee, February 7. Investment and capture of Fort Donelson, Tennessee, February 12 to 16, 1862. Expedition toward Purdy and operations about Crump's Landing, March 9 to 14. Battle of Shiloh, April 6 to 7. Advance on and Siege of Corinth, Miss, April 29, May 30. March to Purdy, thence to Bolivar, and duty there until September. March to UK at Miss, September 1 to 19. Battle of the Hatchie, October 5. Grant's Central Mississippi Campaign, operations on the Mississippi Central Railroad, November 2, 1862 to January 10, 1863. Reconnaissance from LaGrange, November 8 to 9, 1862. Moved to Memphis, Tennessee, January 20, 1863, then to Lake Providence, February 22. Moved to Milliken's Bend, April 10. Movement on Brinsburg, Mississippi and turning Grand Gulf, April 25 to 30. Battle of Port Gibson, May 1. 40 Hills and Hankinson's Ferry, May 3 to 4. Battle of Raymond, May 12. Jackson, May 14. Battle of Champion Hill, May 16. Siege of Vicksburg, May 18, July 4. Surrender of Vicksburg, July 4, and duty there until February 1864. Expedition to Monroe, Louisiana, August 20, September 2, 1863. Expedition to Canton, October 14 to 20. Bogchito Creek, October 17. Meridian Campaign, February 3, March 2, 1864. Morton, February 10. Veterans absent on furlough, February 20, May 8. Moved to Cairo Hill, May 7 to 8, then to Clifton, Tennessee, a march via Pulaski, Huntsville and Decatur, Alabama, to Roman Ackworth, May 12, June 9. Atlanta Campaign, June 9, September 8. Operations about Marietta and against Kennesaw Mountain, June 10, July 2. Assault on Kennesaw, June 27. Nookavjack Creek, July 2 to 5. Chattahoochee River, July 5 to 17. Howells Ferry, July 5. Leggett's Bald Hill, July 2021. Battle of Atlanta, July 22. Siege of Atlanta, July 22, August 25. Flank movement on Jonesboro, August 25 to 30. Battle of Jonesboro, August 31, September 1. Lovejoy's Station, September 2 to 6. Jonesboro, September 5. Operations in northern Georgia and northern Alabama against Hood, September 29, November 3. March to the Sea, November 15, December 10. Siege of Savannah, December 10 to 21. Campaign of the Carolinas, January to April 1865. Pocataligo, S.C., January 14th. Salcahatchee Swamps, February 2 to 5. Barker's Mills, Whippy Swamp, February 2nd. Binnaker's Bridge, South Edstow River, February 9th. Orangeburg, North Edstow River, February 12-13. Columbia, February 16-17. Battle of Bentonville, N.C., March 2021. Occupation of Goldsboro, March 24th. Advance on Raleigh, April 10-14. Occupation of Raleigh, April 14th. Bennett's House, April 26th. Surrender of Johnston and his army. March to Washington, D.C., via Richmond, Virginia, April 29th–May 20th. Grand Review of the Armies, May 24th. Move to Louisville, Kentucky, June 1st, and duty there until July. Casualties: the regiment lost a total of 300 men during service, 2 officers and 48 enlisted men killed or mortally wounded. 1 officer and 249 enlisted men died of disease. Commanders: Colonel Samuel H. Steedman, Colonel Robert Kingston Scott, Lieutenant Colonel John S. Snook, commanded at the Battle of Champion Hill.